Hey guys, I'm April from Giggle Glitter Graphics, and today I have another free printable project for you. This is my Mirror of Shadows Trifold kit, and it is a free printable that matches this week's new kits in my Etsy shop. If you're already a member of my email list, you'll have gotten this in your email today. Otherwise, you can go to the description down below, and there's a link where you can sign up for the email list and get this kit in your inbox immediately. You can also find links to the matching kits that are new in my shop this week in the description down below as well. So let's get started on putting this together. I have printed everything on 110-pound cardstock, and I did not print everything front and back. Most of the pages, two of the pages, I printed on just one side. There are a few pieces here. And then the main piece I printed on the back with the accompanying paper. Now you can print the back side of all of the sheets if you want to, but I just decided not to do that today. So I've already pre-creased and inked everything here. For ink, I used a gray. This is Hickory Smoke. You can use any gray or any color that you like. I think pink might look nice on this as well, or black might make it a little darker. So I've gone ahead and I have creased this right along these fold lines where the panels meet up. And I'm doing this in a way that the damask pattern is on the top and then it pulls out to the side this way. And when it's folded up, you have the tree on the back. And it will pull out and have the house on the front of that panel. There are two pockets and a band as well. So the pockets have 3 tabs. I've folded those all in, and the band has 2 tabs I've folded in as well. When you fold in your tabs on the band, you do want to grab this center card and just slip it in and make sure it's kind of free sliding in there, that it's not too tight or too difficult to get in. It should fit really, really well, but if you folded this too tightly, you're going to want to loosen it up a little bit. So assembly for this is pretty simple. I'm using Beacon Fabri-Tac. You can use double-sided tape or glue of your choice or any of various mounting options. And I'm just going to put a thin line of glue on the tabs for my pockets. And the first pocket is going to go on this left panel, butted all the way up against the outside edge and the bottom. The second pocket is going to attach the same way, but we're going to put that all the way to the right edge. Finally, we have the band, and I'm going to just glue these tabs and then center this on the center panel. Right like so. For embellishments, there is a clock face, and that is going to go right here on the center belly band. And there are 2 tickets, and I'm going to put the skull on the right and the butterfly on the left. I feel like it kind of goes with the story I am trying to tell. Now you could glue these tickets so that they are a pocket where you can add some things in later. I'm just going to glue them all the way down. Right in the center. Like so. And now I have my tags. So the story behind the Mirror of Shadows is the main character finds a mirror in the attic, and it seems to be hiding a dark, shadowy secret. And I like to keep my stories kind of a surprise, but this poem is a little bit of a teaser for the story in the kit. So that's going to just slide down into the belly band. And then I have my 2 large tags. These would be great to journal on the backs of. And I'm going to place those in either pocket. And this is kind of showing the reflection that's not quite exactly the same that the main character sees in the mirror when she looks into it. This trifold just folds up like this. You could glue this into a journal using the back side, and then that way it kind of opens this way and you have the house, and it opens this way and you have the trifold with all of the goodies inside. Or you could attach it to the front of your journal. There's a lot of options with this. Tuck it into a pocket, embellish it, add some ribbons, things like that, a little lace, and really make this your own. If you're interested in the entire collection of junk journal kits, you can find the links in the description down below. The main kit is called Mirror of Shadows, and it has a storyline about finding a mirror with a shadowy secret. And it's a little spooky and a little mysterious, and I really enjoyed making that kit. The second kit is a mini kit. It is called House of Shadows. And it's really a tour through the house with shifting shadows and reflections and that kind of spooky, creepy vibe. The final kit is called Restless Shadows, and it is a set of 12 junk journal papers, each with a different kind of shadowy image of a person or an object to really kind of tie these kits together and add a few more page options for you. So remember, if you sign up to get this kit, you will also be getting a new digital every Friday, every week, and hopefully you will join me, and I will see you in the next video.